In this video, you will learn how to insert page numbers continuously from starting from 1 to 3 and how to insert page numbers separately. I mean, from like in our document that happens, first we have cover page, second we have our book titles, then another we have table of content. After we have page numbers, maybe it would start after 5 pages or 6 pages like that. So let's get started. In this video, at least I want 100 likes. Please support me and support my channel because I really need your support. Here, as you can see, we have 9 pages here. And first basic is you just go to here insert menu, then come here page number, and from here take any positions, which side you want page number. You want top of document, take this one. We have top of document, some samples, bottom of document, and page margins. Page margin means separate in margin areas like left side or right side of your pages. As you can see here we have this one here. Just choose any sample. I'm choosing this one. Then here we are in first one, first, second, third. Our page number goes from one sequence. Okay, this is just a basic. But what if I want to start my page numbers from here? Like from here should we start 1. So how to do that? So before that, let's insert there. Actually, that's not necessary, but just insert there first one cover page. So cover page that doesn't include or that doesn't come inside your page number areas. So automatically our page number moved from another where. Like I want to keep it empty. So to make it empty, break the page, Control plus Enter. Here I want my page number should start from here. In this where I don't want any page number. So for that, click on before, means here first of this page. Then come here on layout, break, then this one, next page. In section breaks column, in panel group. So just click one time. Remember your cursor should be before of text. Click here, then break and next page. Okay, nothing will happen, but before that, let me undo it. Now you see here we just have written header and footer, so there is no section is written, but layout, break, next page. Now if you make visible your header and footer, here is section 2 and here we have section 1. Okay, this is the difference. Now when you open header your footer panel, so here we have link to previous, just uncheck this one. Now this is not linked with previous. Page number, apply any page number. Now it is starting from 0 and here now we don't have any page number here, but when you apply, so that will make little trouble. Like here also we don't have. So first do one thing, format page number, then here start at 1. Just hit OK. But that page number is only in this page. See, in this page we don't have any page number. So here again, link with previous, uncheck and come here page number, format page number 1. Then here just apply page number, which this is same. Okay. And here we don't have any page number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this is how you can insert page number separate after 3 or 4 pages. And sometimes you can get problem this, like if you have more sections. So method is same. If you understood this here, if you get the point till here, then another, if you have another different sections, so that time you just open here, like if I make here again section, like don't get confused more. So here I clicked here, then layout and break and next page. So see, it is starting from 1. After 5, it is starting from 1. So here we need to make change that start from link with previous is checked. Here should be checked because we are linking with previous. And here page number format and start with, give here 5. Okay, or we should have given 6 here. Okay, 6 not 5, sorry. Okay, now 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in page number we have one more option, current positions. Like if your cursor is here, if my cursor is here and you want to insert this page number, what is this page number? You want to insert that here, page number, current position, and take any format from here. Just click here. Now you got page number here. Okay, so we don't insert this. It will be useful sometimes, but I don't know, I have no idea about this. So this was a small video about page numbers, but it was very confusing. Like when we apply page number different, that irritates us so much. So if you understand the concept, so that would be no more difficult for you. Even for me also, when I started learning, for me also it was too much headache. But now when you understand concept, that everything is easy. In this video, at least I want 100 likes. Please support me and support my channel because I really need your supports. Thank you so much for watching full video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got any new knowledge here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.